One of the things that the designer sales team brings outside of the appliance knowledge is our knowledge of the design language, elevations, understanding construction.
You know, we have a unique skill set in designer sales that understands the process, understands how everything fits together.
We renovate so many kitchens ourselves, so we go through this process, 20 of them a year. So we do understand some of the nuances they face.
We have like over 100 kitchens in all our showrooms together, so we know what it is to renovate a kitchen.
What I bring from my background is a variety of experience. I worked in a custom millwork shop doing drafting designs. I also was in plumbing for quite a few years, so I really understand all of the intricacies.
I have over 20 years experience in supply chain. In another part of my career, I work with engineers developing new products. So I'm translating all that knowledge and all that experience into something more beautiful that is somebody's home. Understanding all the things that you have to look after and try to mitigate and try to plan for is definitely an added value that I'm bringing.
Coming from a background where I've lived in many places like Iran, Lebanon, France, places rich in culture and history and craftsmanship, I've developed a strong appreciation for design that blends the traditional with the modern. That appreciation allows me to have more meaningful conversations with clients and support their vision in a more intuitive way.
Because they join me on the journey of renovating our showrooms, they do have intimate experience in seeing how renovation works. And that's unique to a sales team in this industry. We truly understand the tribulations and trials of an interior designer firm or single proprietor. We can empathize with the designer's journey. So it's this understanding, I think, that sets us apart from others.